Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what you are seeing out here is actually a concept that is going to be available really soon. This isn't even the final looking product, but it is something to help you track and sleep better. It is called the Wellnest and it'll be priced about $170. So what happens is underneath your sheets you have this little strip that you can lay, and it will track all your sleep data. So how deep you're sleeping, how light you're sleeping. It'll track all your data and give you that information on an app on your smartphone. And this little device out here has a speaker and it can be controlled with a bunch of different colored LEDs. Now what happens is when you wake up in the morning, you don't want it to have really harsh light, so it'll stimulate what the sunrise could feel like, along with the sound of your preference. So you could have a river flowing, birds chirping, you could have the exact sound that you want. You can control all that with a smartphone app. And similarly, when you go to sleep, you could have certain sounds that play while you fall asleep, along with the light changing colors and gradually going dim. And of course you have this cable that's connecting the two, along with the cable tie. Now this is of course still in its prototype stages out here. This isn't the final one. This is actually a 3D printed model is what I've been told out here. This is something as to what a final product might look like with the materials that are used. Nonetheless, even in a concept, it's great if you're someone that really needs to track your sleep and understand and get a score as to how well you've slept, how well you're sleeping, because we all know that a good night's sleep is the perfect way to get a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and for more CES coverage you can stay tuned to Digit.in.